Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to add extra baggage in Flair Airlines. Now, there's many options here and you can do this of course online. You can go ahead and add it through My Bookings. Okay, you can add back to your reservation. You can choose what kind of bag it is and these are the dimensions allowed, right? These are the prices. So when you're doing it online, it is this price, much cheaper than when you're checking in or when you're up at the airport. Okay, so for a checked bag online, this is how much you pay, right? It's for 10 kg, 23 kg. Okay, the additional ones and then overweight bags are also there. So you just come here and go ahead and add your bags, your reservation through My Bookings. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guy provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.